If you're here, your bump stops probably look like this. And I think that's a given. This stuff is going to deteriorate. Now, it's no secret these are discontinued by GM. And there are companies that offer these that are direct bolt-ons that are well over $100. But if you're like me, you're here trying to find a cheaper solution. Our cars from 82 to 02 are well over 40 years old, some 30, 20, doesn't matter. Now, the information I'm going to give you is not new information. However, it is kind of scattered throughout the internet, and I'm hoping you can find it all here in one place. Now, you can buy a universal energy suspension bump stop, or there are some cheaper ones on Amazon, that's what these are, for about $20. They offer them in black or red, and they look about like this. Bella likes them, she knows what she's looking at. Now, if you bought one of these universal bump stops, you'll find out that they cannot bolt right on. This lip gets in the way right here. So today I'm going to show you two ways that you can make this work. The first way is you're going to take a grinder and you're going to cut this right off here, and then this one will bolt right up. And I've done it this way many of times, but if you're like me, sometimes you just don't want to cut up your own car. So I'm going to talk to you about another solution. Some of the later year cars, like this 97, came with an aluminum block, and it was bonded to the bump stop itself. What I'm going to do is remove this piece that the rubber was originally attached to, and that leaves us with this aluminum block. The next problem is our new bump stop will not bolt straight to this. So the solution would be to take a cutoff wheel and cut straight through this and cut this ear off, or we'll get just a little bit fancier with it. We'll put one in the vise here, and we're going to mill that off. There we go. Which now will allow that block to be right through there. Put our two bolts in. Can't forget to tighten them up. And there you go, bump stop replaced with no cutting or hacking of your ride. This took me less than 10 minutes to do. And no, you don't need a mill to do this. You can obviously use a cutoff wheel and a flap disc to smooth that out, and it'll work just fine. I'm going to include the link that these bump stops were for me. No guarantees that it'll be good by the time you watch this video, but if you can't find one, just search up universal bump stop for F-body Camaro and it'll come with there. Keep in mind, you're either going to have to find these aluminum spacers that are on the later model 4th gens, or you're going to have to cut that tab off on your car. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. I'm always trying to post some helpful information on these things, as well as follow along with this Camaro's build on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.